bomb. Okay. Because look at how freaking bomb. Look at how they look on the inside, y'all. Y'all can see it for yourselves. Look how thick. Get into the details. Just get into the details. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra. As you read by the title, I'm coming to y'all with another replica shoe unboxing video. I hope y'all not surprised. Today I'm going to be unboxing some sneakers from peaksneaker.ru, so shout out to them for sending me these shoes. They are a company that specializes in quality replica shoes, so I'm going to get into it, y'all. These are the Air Jordan 1 Fearless, the red and blue ones. So we're about to just get straight into this video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you are into videos like this. Let me get my disclaimer. Let me back up. I almost forgot. If you are not into replica shoes, just click off this video. It's not for you. I may have some other content that you're interested in, so check my channel out. Y'all, I do not promote scams. I don't tolerate scams. I don't go for that. Occasions where I was hitting companies up on behalf of my viewers. I don't play that, okay? So y'all can go on other videos and you will see people in the comments vouching for the fact that they have received their items. I take that very seriously. And if you have any comments, questions, and concerns, you can always contact me or the company. I will always have the information in the description box of each video, including their information will be down there and it'll be on the screen as well. Yeah, I just want to take my disclaimer. Gotta make sure I give it. So without further ado, y'all, let's get straight into this video. The shoes did come via FedEx Express. Y'all already know how these videos go. And then these shoes did come bubble wrap just to make sure that, you know, it protects the shoes through shipment. This is the box, y'all. It is just a red Nike box. And then here is the bottom of the box, y'all. I did get these shoes in a size 7 because that is my size. That translates over to an 8.5 in women's. So right off the bat, y'all, seeing receipts and some nice looking tissue paper. So right on top, I do see the receipts here. Y'all know I like to breeze through these. Feel free to pause the video if you would like to. Here's the first receipt, y'all. Here is the second receipt. And most of all the replica companies do a really good job of making the QR code match the website. That's always nice. And here is the third and final receipt that you will receive if you choose to shop with this company. So I do see this nice tissue paper. It says limits like fears are often just an illusion. I like that. It says that all over this tissue paper. I really like that. And then I do see some Jordan socks, y'all, that are included in this package. And then I also see regular white tissue paper that is underneath the worded tissue paper. These look bomb. Okay, because y'all did y'all thing with these. I haven't even took them out yet, but I'm just saying, from what I see, they look so bomb. We also got some more cards in here. So we got like a little Nike one. And then we also have this fear that is crossed out. And it says, limits like fear are often just an illusion. Again, this is nice. And this is really thick, y'all. I like this. Baby. It's the quality for me. I only promote quality. And if I didn't say it already, y'all, the information will be on the screen for this company as well as in the description box down below. And if I do have a coupon code, it will also be on the screen and down below. But yeah, I hope I said that in the beginning. Let's get into the quality, babe, because that's what we're here for. Look at these, y'all. Y'all. It's the weight. Now, y'all know, if y'all been watching my videos, I love a shoe with a nice weight to it. That lets me know that the company used quality materials when they made the shoe. And we also like a good thick shoe. Now, if you take a look at the like heel of this shoe, look at how thick and padded that is. Quality. You take a look at this tongue. You see that thickness in this shoe? Quality. Peak Sneaker, y'all are off to a really good start. These look so bomb. I absolutely love the colorway of this shoe, y'all, because look at how freaking bomb. Get into the Air Jordan sign, y'all. Looks amazing. Get into the swoosh. Get into like the patent look of it. I love that patent look of the shoe and just the combination of the blue, white, black, and red. This is what the front of the shoe is giving. This is how the tongue looks, y'all. Just says Nike Air. And then this is how the inside of the tongue looks. It looks so good, y'all. And then they did come with black laces. I just have to lace it up, as well as the little thing that keeps the shoe shape. Oh my gosh, these are so bomb. Look at how they look on the inside, y'all. It has the fear with a line through it, and I love like everything that this shoe is standing for. Like, and again, I did get these in a men's size 7. It says that down in the shoe. These were constructed really good, y'all. And you also, as you guys seen, you also get the 3 different laces. You got the white, the blue, and the red laces, which is really nice. Options, options, options. And on this little X'd out fear, little Air Jordan sign, it does have the quote once again on the inside. I'm absolutely in love with these shoes, you guys. Like, these are super duper bomb. And if you can get them at this quality for a fraction of the cost, why not? Definitely check Peak Sneaker out. Again, I'm gonna have all the information down below. These are super duper bomb. Y'all know we only promote quality over here. Anything else is just above us, okay? These are amazing quality, y'all. I can't brag on the quality of these enough. Like, they nailed this replica wear. And then y'all, it even has that whole saying all over the sole of the shoe. Like, that is beautiful. I love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. I don't even, like, without a doubt, without a freaking doubt. Y'all can see it for yourselves. Look how thick. Get into the details. Just get into the details. Definitely recommend this company for sure. These are bomb and they match my shirt. Kind of did that on purpose. Now I'm about to go ahead and lace these up, and I cannot wait to get into these bad boys. Y'all know how I like to do my replica videos. We about to get into this shoe cam, and we about to put a little outfit together at the end for y'all. I started the videos like this. I'm gonna keep them coming like this. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and I will have my social media handle up here somewhere, as well as in the description box down below. All right, y'all, so here are the shoes laced up. They looking real good, as they should. Hello. It's the overall quality for me. Peak Sneaker outdid themselves, I'm telling y'all right now. Let's get into this shoe cam, okay? All right, y'all, so this is the outfit that I decided to come out with. I just have the shirt that y'all seen and the sit down clips, and then I have these light wash jeans on. Of course, y'all, the star of the show, the sneakers. Y'all know I like to put a little quick outfit together, so that is how I end my videos off. Definitely make sure y'all check out Peak Sneaker, because they definitely did their thing with these, y'all, for sure. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. Y'all, have a lot more replica videos coming, so make sure y'all hit that bell for post notifications so you can be notified to my upload, and I will see y'all in the next video.